MST101 Single Gas Detector Video Operation Guide. Now we will demonstrate how to replace the sensor. The detector must be power off before replacing the sensor. All 6 screws on the back need to be removed. Remove the front cover. This is our sensor. Pull the original sensor off the motherboard. Replace it with a new sensor. Align the 3 pins and insert them into the motherboard. Then power on the detector to check. Enter the power on self-test. Enter the zero calibration process. Please keep the detector in clean air. After power on, the sensor displays normally. Then you can start reinstalling the front cover. After screwing all the screws back into place, the installation is complete.